Okay, I'll just put this 2x4 in here. Right here. 2x4. Put it in here like this, down, and back up. Tighten it right up in there. 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 So right here. There. Nice and tight. You got insulation in there. Look into that stud. Right there. Attach that metal stud to it. And hook that to the steel stud. It's right here solid, okay? Just same thing other side. Let's get another 2x4 right here. Nice one like this. There it is. Longer than the zone. Put it right behind in front of the insulation. Yeah. There. Up 4 up each way. 3 up. Here's your other stud. Is it here? There. Repeat the process. See that? Put a couple in here. There. 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 Okay, now we're going to fold that insulation back. Nice and fluffy. Nice and fluffy. Put it right back where it was. Put this right back where it was. This right back where it was. Run screws all the way around. Where are you leaving? Alright, I'm fixing this. edge. Duh. I keep thinking this side over here is big as that side, flatty patty, but there wasn't room for it with the stud the way it was. Yes. Make sure every one of them are in. In. Every one of them are in. I know it looks ugly, but that's only the beginning. Let me get you on pause. We're gonna mix up some of this. 45, quick coat. Okay, we're back. Just mix up a little, because that's all you need. You got my Hide 5 knife. Hide 5. Yeah, I highly recommend a good knife. Always make sure you're nice and flat. Anything in, anything out, get them off. Like that. If you got any high spots, kind of use the back of your knife, kind of like that. Like that, back of your knife. Like that. All the way up, back of your knife. And then just plug it in. This is just your first coat. What I mean by first coat, get it ready for tape. Patch the edges. Packs the edges. That's what it does. A little bit more on the float. I understand it. Why did they do that to me? Go. First time around, Bobby Brown. A little bit. And there's your first time. Your first time around. Let that heal, and we'll come back to her. Yes.